Good evening and welcome. My name is Prasad Nair, and today's procurement talk we have Mr. M.T. Swamy from Kennametal. He is going to talk to us about construction industry as well as earth cutting tooling business. Sir, thank you so much for interacting with us. Good to see you here at Bauma Conexpo.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for having us.
Sir, can you please talk about the kind of display what you have here in Bauma?
Yeah, I think at Bauma we have all the tools that are needed for the construction sector. And we have the conical tools which are used in road rehabilitation, the milling of the roads. We also have the foundation drilling tools used in the piling application. We have trenching tools which are used again in the trenching applications. So we have launched some of the new products called Kencast, which is used for the wear applications in the industry. So basically, we have tools which are applicable for the construction segment, both the foundation drilling, trenching, and road rehabilitation.
Sir, in India, currently we see huge investment coming into infrastructure. And how do you see that it is going to encourage the industry in totality?
So, Government of India is making large investments. Right? I think most of you know the National Infrastructure Pipeline, which is one of the key projects of Government of India, has plans for the next 10 years to make an investment of more than $1 trillion. And that would be mainly in the construction segment to a large extent, which means more roads, more metro rails, more ports, more of horizontal directional drilling. All these are going to mean that the infrastructure segment is going to see a large growth for the next 10 years. So obviously, Kennametal is going to be benefited here because we are one of the leading players in the construction segment as well as the earth cutting tools.
So, while talking about the investment side, the other aspect what we always concerned about is its performance. We require very robust, high-performing tools and equipments required for these projects. How do you complement in this process?
So that's the main philosophy in which Kennametal works. We have been in the market for many decades, and the strength of Kennametal is the material science, knowledge which is within the company, the ability to manufacture tungsten carbide products and wear-related products, and the application engineering of our sales team. These all are going to help the customers to increase the productivity, increase the reliability, and also reduce maintenance cost. So Kennametal always looks at launching innovative solutions year after year, right? So we work very closely with the customers to co-create products. We understand customer requirements and design products that are helpful in increasing the productivity, which means to say you do more activity in lesser time so that customers are becoming profitable. So that's the direction in which Kennametal always works.
Performance is one aspect that you address very well. Other side, globally, we talk about sustainability. How we can enhance sustainable side of infrastructure in India. How do you complement sustainability?
So from Kennametal perspective, the sustainability is a key goal for us. If you look at our plant where we manufacture, where we have the control of how we impact the environment, I think there is a lot of focus on the solar energy which we use. Nearly 95% of our electricity is solar generated. We also have very good practices in ETP, wastewater treatment, and greenery all around. So I think sustainability is going to be a very important factor going forward, and Kennametal is a leading player in that segment as well.
One of the challenge we face when we talk about performance as well as sustainability is the presence of unorganized sector and the kind of products that comes into the market. Do you think there is a requirement for some kind of standardization for all these tooling resources?
It's a very good question. It's very difficult to stop an unorganized sector because there are always going to be competitors who would come up and want to take share from organized sector. But as within the organized sector, you will see that there are players who have been there for a long time. They have been the market leaders for a long time because of a reason. They make investments in RD&D, they make investments in technology, they make investments in new materials being developed. So I think the eventual leaders would be people who would continue to lead in innovative solutions. That's how you would probably address the challenges in the unorganized sector.
And you ongoingly bring innovation into your range of products.
Always. So if you look at what products we have got here, we have got products which are new to the market, as well as products which have got enhanced compared to the earlier products we had. So the enhancement is going to be in terms of multiple angles. One is the design per se of the carbide that is being used. Two is the ability to have better rotation of the conicals with higher thickness. We are also launched a better rotating sleeve. So that's one aspect, right? We always enhance the products which we already have. Two is a completely new technology, right? We introduced polycrystalline diamond tools which have got performance more than 10 times that of tungsten carbide tools. So yes, the innovation is in terms of enhancing existing products as well as introducing new products. So if you look at our Kincast solutions, they are one of the products we have launched this year. They address all the wear applications in all the metallic mines, applications where you have high impact, which was not present last year. So Kennametal continuously invests in bringing new products which help customers to improve the productivity, reduce maintenance cost, and are highly reliable. So those are our basic mantras on value addition.
Fabulous. And while looking at you bringing global standard products to India, one conversation what we really keep close to heart is Make in India. And what kind of approach you have towards making these solutions available by creating a Make in India test ridge?
So we have a plant in Bangalore where we make tungsten carbide products. We make products for the large segments of the industries. Currently, we don't make the earth cutting tools. And as everybody knows, the volume of business determines the investments within the country. So as the market segment grows, as a business share grows and the volumes come in, we will definitely look at Make in India options.
What are the major challenges you see for procurement community, people who buy your solutions and technologies, while going for quality products like what you offer compared to current market available products and solutions?
You're asking about the challenges for the procurement?
Bias.
Yeah, the challenge for the procurement team would be, how to judge the value of the product, because typically it is very difficult to measure productivity. It's also difficult to look at how reliable the supplier is, and also reduce maintenance costs. So to document all of that in rupee terms is a challenge for the procurement. So that's where we would come in as Kennametal, because we are the experts in this industry. We are able to showcase in a documented form what is the profitability improvement for the consumer or the procurement team if he uses a high quality product.
And can you also brief us about the kind of supply chain that you have in India for these range of products? Since as you said that you are not manufacturing currently in India, so do you have a warehouse option available to make sure that availability is not impacted all over India?
Yeah, so I said we don't make this product in India, but we do have a warehouse and we have a very good distribution network across the country. We have people from our distributor channels spread across the country, across all the 4 regions. And we are also adding more distributors because the segment is growing. We continuously look for channel partners who can add value to us and also add value to themselves. So as in terms of supply chain, we do stock materials so that there is no disruption to supplies.
Thank you so much for interacting with us, sir. It's very useful tips that you give for our readers. Wish you all the best for this exhibition.
Thank you. Thank you for your time.